Okay, so I don't really know how good the microphone is on this camera, or even where the microphone is, but I will now demonstrate some of the sounds I've been playing with. So remember, the motion, as you've probably seen on some of the videos by now, is me going across a blank piece of paper with a chalk, like, which is kind of like this sound. Which was okay, but I wanted something a little bit kind of more gritty. So I kind of, I played with a few things. If you got the coins, I didn't really think it was enough. Almost sounded a bit like Flint. But scissors on coins. Again, nothing special. Did scissors on scissors. I've done chalk on chalk. Which again, it's alright, a bit underwhelming, although the sound doesn't matter because I can just turn it up on the computer. And I think the one I'm going to go for, the scissors on chalk, and this, even holding it against this, and it shivers down my spine. Quite the unpleasant sound to listen to, isn't it? But I think if manipulated in the right way with my film, it can work and actually keep people looking at it, even if they want to kind of go away. But it'll be interesting. It'll be interesting to see if it works or not. But yeah, I think that's the sound that I'm probably gonna go for.